This is to whoever watching this video right now. I don't think I have enough time to say. I am Mudit, the Sea House captain of Valmiki, is going to reveal to you.
Hey, you little bugs!
और ये तो बस ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।
I don't think I have enough time left. Everything will be revealed on 24/11/2014 at the MPH.
This story is about four men with their own ambitions, four men who craved money, four men who were cheated, four men who took their revenge together. The first of the four men is a ruthless and feared businessman, the CEO of the almost bankrupt Rao Enterprises, Mr. Tarun Rao.
Sir, your signature, please. What happened, sir? Is everything fine? You look like you had Karela juice.
I wish I could drink it and die. Nothing is going the way I wanted. We're gonna be bankrupt in a few months unless we have a miracle. Is it all my fault? Have I done something wrong? Am I even fit to be CEO? And what are you, smiling like Sonam Kapoor in a Colgate ad?
Sir, I don't know whether you have made any mistakes, but we do have a miracle here.
Don't try to console me. I don't think we'll be able to make it.
Sir, truly, sir, believe me, you'll be amazed.
You better not be joking.
Sir, joking with you is like playing basketball with my own head. See for yourself, sir.
Can I have some privacy, please?
Surely, sir.
जहां पना तुसी ग्रेट हो तोहफा कबूल करो हाँ? Ah.
The second of the four men is an orphanage director, Mr. Gopal Sharma.
Sir, I want some more soup.
Oh, you little bug! Don't you think your father's paying for all of this? Wait, you don't even have father, right? You people thinking very smart, right? Do you know my name? Do you know my name? My name is Gopal. And I will butcher you all into pieces, I'm telling you. And you, come here. Come here right now. Sweep the floor.
Why only me? There are so many people here.
Why only me? Why only me? Is that even supposed to be a question? Maybe for feeling too hungry, a piece of bones and flesh? Do whatever I say. Don't get too thin, or society will doubt me.
Hey honey, it's been 10 long years since we have been married. We haven't gone out for a very long time. The last time you got me a diamond neck piece was 1 week ago. The last time we went on a vacation was 1 whole month ago. Let's go on a vacation. What happened to you? Are you frustrated with me and my talks?
No, no honey, never. How dare you? God, these children, they're just... I don't know. All I get is so-called name.
Darling, relax. Don't forget about all the money we get. Just few more years, we can retire with all the money you made.
Relax and wait.
Yes. I'll go check who it is.
Just check who it is.
Madam, letter for your Adam.
Thank you. Here's a letter for you.
Letter? Who sent me a letter? What? Woman.
What does it say?
Well, you want to go on a holiday? Or you want a neck piece? Or both?
Really?
Yes, of course, dear.
Wow.
The third of the four men is an ordinary young man with an ordinary job and an ordinary life, Sam.
Hi Sam, how are you?
Hey, hi Jack. Please take a seat.
So, how's it all going?
It's going on quite well. This is the project I was telling you about. It's all I've been working on.
Do you have a report of this project?
Report? Here's the report.
Sam, looking at this project, I feel that it will require a lot of money.
Yes, it will. It will require a lot of money. I'm just finding out the way to get that money. Hey, wait. I'll go and see who it is.
Are you Mr. Sam?
Yes, I am.
Sir, I have a letter for you.
Letter? Anyway, thank you.
Sam, what is there in the letter? You look
Yes.
happy all of a sudden.
With a double S. It's not working out. This letter says that I have to give my great friend a treat because life just became more awesome. Come on, I have to give you a treat.
The fourth of the four men is a social activist, Mr. Venkat Murthy.
Hi. my organization is working on is to help poor people suffering from leprosy and unfortunate enough in their lives to follow. We aim to help those poor people who are desperately in need of help.
Sir, that is really inspiring, sir. But could you please tell us how common people are contributing to this plan?
People are providing tremendous support, especially in the form of donations. We got 20 lakhs as donations till now, but we aim to get 70 lakhs as donations by the end of this week.
Sir, I have some more questions, sir.
Lakhs, ask as many as you want.
Sir?
I'm sorry, gentlemen. I'm running out of time. I'll make sure that I answer your questions sometime later.
Sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Ryan. What is your doubt?
Sir, until now we have got 45 lakhs as donations. Why you tell them that we have got 20 lakhs?
Simple. So that we can keep the rest. Why else?
Sir, isn't that corruption?
No. Don't call it corruption. I call it bypassing the system.
Bypassing the system?
Yes, bypassing the system. Listen, here's what we are going to do.
What are we going to do, sir?
I'll give you 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs? For what, sir?
To buy yourself something nice, man. Why else?
Are you kidding me?
No. Do whatever you want with the money. Buy yourself whatever you want.
Sir, until now I have not seen 10,000 in hand. 10 lakhs? Sir, I can't miss this opportunity, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's all right. If that is all, I'll see you later.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Huh?
I forgot something.
Yes?
Someone sent you a letter. Here you go, sir.
Who sent me a letter? Wait, listen.
Yes, sir.
Why don't you give 25 lakhs?
25 lakhs? For what, sir? We don't even have that much money yet.
I know, man. But when we get it, you can give 25 lakhs. By then, I'll have more than enough money.
25 lakhs? Oh my God.
Wait. You okay?
Yes, sir.
Come, let's go.
Yes, sir.
The four men were brought together by the promise of getting rich quickly and easily. Hence, it was no surprise when all of them attended that fateful meeting hosted by the Rockshell Oil Company.
Address?
Excuse
Here's
me.
the Rockshell Oil Company.
Excuse me. Hi. I'm Tarun Rao of Tarun Enterprises.
I'm Dr. Venkatamurthy. I'm a social activist.
How did you get here? What is this place?
Sir, I got a letter about an investment and I was invited.
Okay. Who's he?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Excuse me. Right address
Is
for
it
this
Rockshell Oil
letter?
Company?
It's this one.
I got
Yes,
a letter
sir.
from
This
them.
is the
You
Rockshell
get a
Oil
letter?
Company.
Sir, did you get a letter?
Yes,
Hi.
sir. This is the
I'm
letter.
Tarun Rao.
Oh, I'm Sam. Every one of us got a letter.
Sir, I'm Mr. Gopal.
I'm Mr. Mutin.
I've seen you on television, sir, so many times.
I'm a social activist.
Good morning, gentlemen. Please be seated. I am the secretary, and I represent the Rockshell Oil Company. Our company is based in the US and is one of the recent producers of oil. We have a reputation of finding oil in places where other companies fail and places where other companies never even thought of. As you know, our recent expedition in the Ladakh region shows that there are large reserves in that area. And that, my gentlemen, is the reason why you've all been approached to invest in this project of ours.
Everything is fine. But why should I invest in this project?
We assure you, sir, you're sure to get profit. Don't you know the demand for oil is increasing nowadays? And so are the prices. However, due to this discovery of ours, our company can sell oil for cheap. And this would generate a lot of profit. And this will help your company rise, sir.
Wait. Why he's here? But why us? What do we have to do with oil, huh?
Sir, you've all been chosen for a purpose. Our sources say that each one of you are facing financial problems. And our management wants to help you all by giving you an investment opportunity which will help you come out of the problems you're facing.
It seems to be a good proposal.
Why don't you guys think about it? Let me give you some time.
So what you guys thinking about?
Well, I like the idea. It's really nice. I like the idea of profits.
I agree. I'm in.
Sir, I don't know, sir. I'm still doubtful about this. Why all of a sudden? What is the assurance that they give for finding the oil, huh?
True. Maybe we should think about it for a while.
Gentlemen, Christmas has come so early and you all are hesitating to open your gifts. Come on.
Yeah, you're right. As I said, I like this project. I'm in.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm still doubtful about this.
Come on, Mr. Murthy. Look at the perspectives of this project. Do you really want to miss this?
Relax, Mr. Murthy.
Fine. Count me in too.
So what if you all decided?
We have all decided to invest in this project. We like the idea. So, shall we sign the papers?
Yes, sir, please.
Thank you.
Should I? It better reap profits.
Thank you, gentlemen. We'll be back to you after a month.
Okay, guys, let's see what this company has in store for us.
Yes, let's wait for the call.
Better be good.
The four men were confident about the almost risk-free project and thought they would get rich in a matter of a few weeks. Unfortunately, they didn't realize that fate had a very different future in store for them.
Hey Raju, any contact from the Rockshell Oil Company?
No, sir. I haven't received any contact from them yet.
Why not? I've been waiting for more than a month and I haven't received any news about the oil. Are they searching for oil or making it? Could they be cheating me? How could they do this to me?
Don't worry, sir. I'm sure if we contact them, we will get all the information we need.
I hope so, Raju. Our company's fate, my fate, your job, everything depends on it.
Don't worry, sir.
Tarun was not the only one with his problems. The orphanage director faced such problems too.
Hello, is this the Rockshell Oil Company? I would like to inquire of the project in Ladakh region. What happened, huh? Why such a delay? Are you searching for oil in rocks or shells?
What? I don't know any such company. This is Shilpa Shetty's Yoga Kendra. Do you want to register?
What? What do you mean this is a Rockshell Oil Company?
What? You want to become like the wrestler Rock? Yes, sir. We have Shilpa Shetty's Gym Kendra Special Personal Training. It helps you become like the Rock, sir. Does you want to register? It is very nice.
Hello, who is talking right there in the phone? It's really getting annoying. I've been calling you for the 5th time and you haven't been responding at all. This is the number mentioned in the contact details.
Sir, you are not making any sense, sir. Just register.
Hello? What's going on? Hello?
Mr. Murthy and Sam were just as worried as the other two.
Hey, Sam.
Hello, Mr. Murthy. Please take a seat.
Sam, I was wondering, have you got any news about the oil?
About the oil? No, Mr. Murthy. It's been 35 days since we've contacted him.
Yes, Sam. I'm worried. I have a very bad feeling about this. It has been a week since they should have told us about the project.
I think it's time we take some action.
I think we should all meet up and talk about it.
Agreed. Let's call the others.
A few days later, the four men met at a cafe, determined to sort out the matter at any cost.
Hello, hi there, Sam and...
Hello, Mr. Gopal.
Yeah,
Mr. Gopal.
Hi, Dr. Murthy.
Hello, Mr.
Hi, Sam.
So I guess we all know why we are here.
Yes. The Rockshell Oil Company. They cheated us all out of hard-earned money.
Fine. Now what are we going to do about it? My company's fate depends on the investment. If I don't get the money, my company is doomed.
We have got to get the money somehow. My whole life depends on it.
I knew it! I knew it from the very beginning that we shouldn't have invested in it. Now look what has got us to.
Hey, I have a plan if you may.
What? Is it like one of your brightest ideas? Making us invest in this project?
No, that was your idea, not mine. Anyway, back to the topic. We gave them the money and we deserve it. Since they're not giving it back, I think we should take it back.
What?
We should take it back.
What do you mean by take it back?
Let's take back what they took from us.
Fine. Then let's take revenge.
No, we are avenging ourselves. There's a difference. Revenge is an act of passion. Vengeance of justice. Injuries are revenged. Crimes are avenged.
I like the idea. A loot for a loot. Great idea. Where do we start?
Hey, I got some good news. The CEO of the Rockshell Oil Company is coming to India in a month. That means we have 1 month left to prepare.
How do you know about that?
I hired a detective a few days ago to come job with the company.
Well, now, how do we get our money back?
Here's a file in which there are all the details about the CEO of the ROC company.
We can nail him with this.
Look what this file says. The CEO of the ROC is mad about movies, and especially Bollywood movies.
Well, does that mean you have a plan?
Precisely. There's many a man who has more hair than his weight, and I'm not one of them.
जहापना तुसी great हो, तोहफा कबूल करो.
So, which means we're going to have a Bollywood blockbuster this month, huh?
Yeah.
Again. The four men parted ways. A little later, Tarun met someone that would completely change his life.
Sara, can I tell you something?
Of course, Tarun.
I am not in the business of denying myself the simple pleasure of saying true things. I might be the only person on the face of the earth who knows that you're the greatest woman on earth. Because a woman in laughter is a fountain of life. I might be the only person who appreciates how amazing you are in every single thing that you do, how you say what you mean, and how you almost always mean something. That's all about being straight and good. It's one thing to fall in love. It's another to feel the responsibility towards that love. Sara, I love you from the depths of my heart, for you're the one thing to fall in love with. Will you love me?
Tarun, yes. 1,000 times, yes.
The CEO of the Rockshell Oil Company, Himanshu Kumar, finally arrived in India, just as expected, and went to his hotel. At his hotel, he was pleasantly surprised to learn that a Bollywood movie shooting was taking place. Little did he know what our heroes had in store for him.
है पट्टी है आगे पीछे मेरे वो जाने जादू टोना मेरे दिल में चाहे कोना है आगे पीछे मेरे आहो होठी से डांस दे दे चांस क्रेजी हम भी हो लेंगे आहो होठी से डांस दे दे चांस क्रेजी हम भी हो लेंगे आहो होठी से डांस दे दे चांस क्रेजी हम भी हो लेंगे जितनी घास डालो तारीफें निकालो उतने ही इनके भाव बढ़ते हैं
ताड़ते हैं चौका मारते हैं हाथ पकड़ा दो सर पे चढ़ते हैं
थोड़ी इनकी चाले शहर पे मात दे डाले ये मजा मसाले के चकले Muniano,
Wow, amazing, fantastic, superb. What was that performance?
Sir, director, sir, director.
Director, come, we'll meet him right
Come,
now.
sir, come.
That's only our director.
Yes, sir, that is the director, sir. We'll meet him, sir. Come.
You know what? I am very, very impressed. Wow, what a performance! Amazing. What do you want? You tell me now. I will grant you a wish. Who is this man? Anyone?
Hey, you don't know Sara, what?
Wait. Sir, you don't know this, sir. What, sir? Sir, I'll tell you. He is the owner of the world's largest oil company. And, yeah, very rich person. And, you know, in his house, if you want to walk from this corner to that corner, like this, and coming back like this, with shoes, you have to pay him 300 rupees. Yeah, 300 rupees. And then again, if you want to walk without shoes, with socks, like this, and again like this, you have to pay him 200 rupees. And without socks or shoes, barefoot, like this, 100 rupees. And yeah, in his house, On Monday morning, he goes from 1 bedroom to 2 bedroom on Ducati motorcycle. And then 2 bedroom to 1 bedroom on BMW motorcycle. And on Wednesday, on Yamaha motorcycle.
Oh, rich man, businessman, matlab?
Very, 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 very.
Soda.
I need a producer for my next film. Will you be my producer? Guruji, you know what? You just got into my head. I am so impressed that I will grant you your wish and I will be your next film producer. Oh, now the movie Pakka hit hai boss. 16, 17 years chole rahe. Your money will rise. My dollar will rise.
राहुल, ये हम कहाँ आ गए? हम तो घूम फिर के वापस कुंभन आ गए। इधर से तो हम भागी थी।
मीना, मैंने ये सब बहुत सोच समझ के किया है। वड़क्कम सर, वड़क्कम। मिस्टर दुर्गेश्वर अजस अजस सर, कुंभन के सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट इंसान। यस सर, इट्स गुड टू बी इंपॉर्टेंट सर, बट इट्स मोर इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी गुड। सर, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं यहां क्यों आया हूं? क्या मैं मैड हूं या फिर मैंने फिर से पी रखी? नो सर, नो आई एम नॉट मैड सर, और मैंने नहीं पिया सर। नो सर, नो सर, मैं यहां ये जानना आया हूं, लोग तो शादी में अपनी बेटी का हाथ देते हैं, हाथ। आपने तो गला ही दे दिया हलाल करने के लिए। ऐसा कोई बाप होता है क्या? ऐसा कोई बाप होता है क्या सर? लेट मी टेल यू सर, वी आर इन द 60th year of our independence, लेकिन फिर भी इस गांव की मीना जैसी हर लड़की को कोई हक नहीं बनता कि वो इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाए। कोई हक नहीं बनता। और अगर आप सब अपनी बेटियों की इमोशंस को नहीं समझ पाए तो आपके पार ये यूनिटी है, पेरियातल है, इट्स यूजलेस सर, इट्स यूजलेस। And you, Mr. Gangavali, you are so tall, so strong, but the small heart. चिन्ना them, चिन्ना। अभी क्या करने गए? फाइट करने गए? कौन? मारना, मार। और इसलिए नहीं लड़ूंगा कि मुझे को इंसाफ इंसाफ करने का जोश हो चढ़ा है। Simple and straight boss, कौन मैंने सड़क जाती है। And don't underestimate the power of कौन man. क्या बोला था वो तो? क्या बोला था? उइरुडे बंदनी, उइरुडे बोंबाते, वट्टी पीस पीस आकी पार से लंपड़ वे। अब लड़ूंगा, तेरे पूरे गांव से लड़ूंगा, तेरे एक एक कंधे से लड़ूंगा, सिर्फ मीना के लिए, because I love her, I do.
Very good, very good, very good. What acting, very good. Yes sir, how's that way sir? Come sir, this way sir, come. Hello?
Hello? Can I speak
Yes.
to your boss, please?
Who this?
I'm the director, the director.
What director?
That Shahrukh director, forgot.
Ah, Saruk director. Which boss you want to speak to?
Himanshu, Himanshu.
Himanshu. Ah, wait, wait, wait. I saw you, I saw you. Director Saab. That's Saruk director.
Oh, that man, Sajeev.
Yeah.
Okay, one second, give me the phone. Hello?
Hello, sir. Sir, can you come to me, sir? I have very urgent work with you. Sir, you come, then only I can tell you, sir. Please, sir, it's urgent. Yes, sir, thank you, sir.
You gotta meet the director now.
Sir, my phone, sir.
Take your phone.
Take Ducati, no phone, ah.
Sir, it's very urgent. That's why I called you. I'm sorry, sir, for disturbing you.
Tell me your problem.
Sir, Shahrukh is throwing tantrums again. We need some more money, sir.
What? Shahrukh is throwing tantrums again? Do you know that this is the 5th time that we are repaying him?
Sir, what to do, sir? Shahrukh, sir.
Is he man or man-eater, man?
Sir, he'll run away, sir. You understand, sir, please.
Wait. Give me the bag.
Sir, here, sir.
Here. Take the money.
Sir, how do you have so much of money with you?
Hey, because I'm rich.
Oh.
Sir, why are you giving full back, sir?
Hey, let him keep, man. Poor man. Let him
Sir,
keep the
too
change.
much money, sir.
No problem. You come, man.
Okay,
Thank you,
poor
sir.
Man, go.
No problem.
Oh, sir. I successfully managed to get all the money without spending anything on the movie. He has successfully been cheated, sir.
Nice work, dude. Thank you, sir. I like you. You'll be a very good actor soon, you know?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, is all the amount correct?
Yes, sir, it's correct. I checked it.
Well done.
Thank you, sir. Sir, may I leave now?
Yes. Thanks
Thank
a
you,
lot.
sir.
I'll call you
Nice
back if I
working
need.
with you.
Come on, gentlemen.
The 4 men finally got their money back, and their financial situation changed for the better. However, Tarun was still in trouble due to one person who was his love and his life, Sarah.
Hey, let's order something. I have the money. Oh my god. I have the money. I have the money. Hey, look at this. The first one. Vanilla ice cream. Oh, I know that girl, Vanilla. Oh, you're not Vanilla. Vanilla ice cream with radish powder. Oh my god, just 25,000 rupees.
No.
Second one, okay? 2 large gulab jamuns with small bundi and extra large kaju barfi. Please buy this.
No.
Last one is your favorite, okay? Chicken biryani with Indian masala sushi. Oh,
Definitely
30,000
not.
rupees, please.
Definitely not.
What happened?
Tarun, should I ask you something?
Anything for you, darling.
I sent you 1,100 messages yesterday and 692 missed calls and not a single reply. Where were you and what were you doing, huh?
I was actually going to tell you about it. You know what? 4 of us went to a Bollywood movie. You know what happened?
Tarun explained how Sam, Mr. Murthy, Gopal and he had been cheated by the Rockshell Oil Company and how they took revenge against the CEO of the company, Himanshu Kumar.
Wow, so you got all your money back?
Yes.
That's amazing. Let's order.
The 4 men, happy to be reunited with their money, now met for one final task, ensuring their money's safety.
Hi, Mr. Gopal.
Hi, Mr.
I'm
Gopal.
Tarun. How are you?
Hi, Dr. Murthy.
Hello,
I'm
Mr.
Sam.
Tarun.
Raju, drinks.
So, how's it going?
Oh, too good, yeah.
This success for our money back, huh?
How's life? Fun?
Really good. I
Wife?
got all the money now.
Everything fun?
What did you do?
Have a drink, please.
Congratulations, man. You successfully got our money back.
Yes. The actors we hired did a really good job.
They deserve a lot more money than what we paid them for.
Hey, relax, son. What's gonna happen now? Now we can safely get back to our old lives, right?
But do you think we're actually safe? I mean, what if the CEO finds out that we stole his money?
I don't think he can actually do anything, can he? Because we stole our money back.
But it's always good to play it safe.
What do you think he can do? Tell the police? Nothing.
He can't tell the police that we stole the money, which he stole from us.
Okay, so here's what we'll do. One among us can keep the money till the CEO leaves the country. Like, just to be on the safer side.
My dear Sam, why are you worrying so much? They can't trace us at all.
Anyway, let's do it. It's better to be safer than to be sorry.
Okay, who do you think among us will keep the money safe, huh?
That is a question that should be answered.
I think I'll keep the money.
What? What did you say? Why should you keep the money, huh?
Hey, wait. I think Mr. Tarun should keep the money. Because a businessman takes care of his money like a mother takes care of a child.
Okay, Mr. Tarun, keep the money safe till the CEO leaves India. And once he leaves, let's share the money among us. I repeat, keep the money safe.
Raju, take the glasses.
So, okay, Sam, we are leaving right now.
Please go. Tata.
Keep the money safe.
Yeah, I'll keep the money.
Better be safe.
Yeah, man, go. Bye. I'm going to get lots of money.
Yes. Good money. Kaase, panna, good money.
What will Mr. Murthy do? Sam and Gopal, nothing.
A few days later, Tarun realized that he had made a grave mistake he would later regret. About a week later, the four men realized that their decision had cost them quite a lot.
I got the money at last. Yes. Oh, message now. Who? Oh, Sarah. Oh, this can't be happening. No, please. No. No. Sam, please come to my house right now with everyone. Please.
A few minutes later, they arrived at Tarun's house. All three of them were very worried about his problem.
What happened, Tarun? Tarun, what happened to you?
Come on, get up. What happened?
Are you okay? Why are you crying?
My girlfriend, she hasn't contacted me since last week.
Guys, girlfriend, man. That's fine.
What? Girlfriend? What girlfriend?
Half girlfriend.
Guys, look at this.
What is that?
Sorry, Tarun. I never loved you. I lied to you. I cheated you. Yes, I cheated you. But am I really a cheat? Am I really as big a disgusting mountain of vermin as you and you are? No. Did you really have to steal all that money? From my father? Yes, my father. An innocent man who worked tirelessly and honestly his entire life to earn all that money. You stole from my father for greed and power. It was time for revenge. And I took it. I took back what is mine and taught you four scoundrels a lesson that money, greed and power are temporary. They leave you in pain. Because what is not yours shall never be yours. So suffer, for life is a loot for a loot.
Does this mean you lost the money? In the sense it got stolen from you?
Yes, I made a huge mistake. I've been cheated.
Hey!
Stop it! Stop it, Mr. Murthy!
I told you all that he was very careless to handle the money. Look what he's done. We brought us this way once. My hard-earned money.
All the trouble we went through
My wife is going to.
And you guys, get up. It was a pleasure working with you. There's nothing we can do. Come, let's go back to our old lives.
Now, full of regret, the four men could do nothing about the situation. All of them now faced their own terrible problems. However, two of the four men, that is, Tarun and Gopal, faced truly unsolvable problems.
The fall of Rao Enterprises was huge, and his company has officially declared itself bankrupt. Tarun Rao, the CEO of the company, has given a press statement saying that he apologizes to the people who he has worked with. He also confesses that his mistakes have led to the fall of the company. He thanks them who have supported him throughout the time as CEO and also apologizes to them for his failure.
I never should have invested in that company. And I should have never met Sarah. No.
Gopal was facing worse problems.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry for everything which I've done. It's all my fault. I'm serious. I'm very sorry for this.
Did you ever look after me? Did you ever take me for a vacation? Did you ever get me any jewelry? I don't even know you, Gopal. You just love me for my beauty. That's all. I'm leaving now.
Don't go. Please, wife. Don't go, please.
No, I've made up my mind.
Made up your mind? You never had one, you wicked lady. At least leave the jewelry and go for me.
You lowly man, don't ever speak to me. I'm leaving now.
A few days later, the four men met again. Little did they realize that the circumstances had changed drastically, even beyond their imagination.
Gopal.
Yeah, you're Mrs. Tarun Rao, right?
Yeah. What are you doing here?
I know. I got this invitation to this place. I know for what.
Come, sit.
Why don't we take a seat there?
Hey, look!
Sam!
Hey, Mr. Murthy and
Dr.
Sam.
Murthy.
Tarun, what are you guys doing here?
I got invited to this silly inauguration for orphans.
What's going on?
Can anyone tell me what's going on here?
I just came here because if I don't come, then it would be bad for my publicity.
Unbelievable. How can all of us be here at the same time? Anyways, how's your day going? It's really bad.
Very bad, man. Very bad.
After the inauguration of the orphanage,
Thank you all for coming. I now call upon Mr. Sam, the head of the orphanage, to give the vote of thanks on behalf of the organization.
What?
Sam?
Sam? You?
No way.
You're Sam?
Sam? What's going on?
Welcome. I welcome everyone on this inauguration of this orphanage. There are many people who have helped us to build this organization. It would be wrong not to thank the people who have made it possible.
What's happening?
There were 3 people who made it possible. Mr. Tarun, Mr. Gopal, and Mr. Murthy. They put their blood and sweat into making this orphanage. Let's have a big round of applause for these people. Every child in India should look up to these 3 men because they do this for a noble cause. Thank you.
Sam, you
No.
deserve an explanation right now.
Yes, you should do.
Maintain distance. I thought you guys would be angrier, but still, I'll tell you. It all started around 10 years ago while I was still a child. I was an ordinary orphan in an ordinary orphanage when I realized that something terrible was happening in the orphanage.
Oh, you little bugs! You never do any work, I say! Look at them! Look at them! They're the only ones who do the work all the time! Get up, children. Get up. Get up, children. You are the ones who do the work all the time and every time, I say, right? So you deserve something really better? Don't you all want to go to a really better place? And you don't want toys? Yes. Of course, right? So why don't you all take a rest and come for a walk with me? Shall we all go?
Good evening, Mr. Gopal. Have you got a good lot with you?
Yes.
There must be not like the ones before. I've got a lot of customers who are looking for hard-working kids like them, and they're willing to pay me a lot.
Of course. You know, Ganibai, I wouldn't betray you. I got a good bunch here, and they will be hard-working.
Hey, wait. What's going on over here?
Listen, children. Look at this uncle. This uncle is going to take care of you all from now. Don't you all want to go to a better place? Better things? Yes, of course, right?
Oh wow. Really, Gopal uncle?
Yes, children. I'll really miss you a lot.
We love you, Gopal uncle.
I love you too. Okay, see ya. Bye.
Nice doing business with you, Mr. Gopal. Trust me, you'll be a rich man soon by selling these children.
It's a deal. I can't refuse it. I'm getting paid to get rid of these annoying kids. Do what I do with them.
When I realized what was going on, it was too late to save them. I could do nothing to stop my friends from being sold. Can you imagine seeing your best friends, your only family being sold as if they had price tags on them?
Kids you wanted today.
Good. When are you gonna deliver the next batch of kids? 2 weeks? Huh. If you deliver them in 1 week, I'll pay you double the amount.
Surely, I'll try my best to get them in a week's time.
By the way, how much did you get them for?
20,000 apiece.
That's cheap. Good for business. Raju, take them away. Come on, let's go. We're on a tight schedule.
Thank you, sir.
Simply cannot happen. The famous Mr. Tarun Rao. I have to tell someone about this so that he can help them. I have to tell someone.
I couldn't believe it. The famous Tarun Rao buying my friends as if it was just an ordinary thing. Can you imagine how it felt seeing them being sold to such a famous man? I was stunned. I felt terrible. There was nothing I could do for them. Then I realized there was something I could do for them. I knew that there was a man who could help me. Dr. Murthy, a famous social activist in the neighborhood. He was now my only hope. He was the only one who could save my friends. Around that time, Mr. Murthy was launching a new initiative.
Murthy sir, Murthy sir.
Get out, kid. I'm busy.
Sir, I'm from an orphanage, sir.
Hey,
sir.
kid, listen. I'm busy now. Get out.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, please.
It was all over. I couldn't save them. 3 people had ruined their lives. An orphanage director, a prominent businessman, and a famous social activist. These men were responsible for the terrible fate that awaited innocent children. There was nothing I could do. Nothing at all. But then I realized there was one more thing I could do. I couldn't help my poor friends. Their fate was sealed. The only thing I could do was to avenge them. I promised myself that I would avenge them no matter what the cost, no matter what came in front of me. I would bring these men to justice at any cost. I had promised myself, and now I have brought you 3 to justice and given you exactly what you deserve.
And that is my story. Unbelievable. Is that you?
At least give the money back.
Enough. Get out before I call the security. I've tolerated enough of you guys. We deserve an explanation. Get out. Security. Go.
How did you do this? How did you do this? How did you do this, huh? Sarah!
But we ruined their life in a matter of months. Do you feel a little guilty at least?
No. Guilty? Not at all. You reap what you sow. They ruined my life along with the lives of many children years ago with their vile manipulative ways. I spent my childhood in an orphanage where Mr. Gopal used to sell children without any guilt. The pain, the uncertainty, the despair of it all. In fact, I almost got sold once. I still remember the sweat bursting at my temples, my throat parched, and my heart beating at an unbelievable rate. They cannot make me feel guilty. I still remember how Mr. Tarun Rao used to buy the children and make them work day and night without an iota of guilt. And Mr. Murthy, what did he do? He sat there and bought expensive watches and cars. This didn't take place for only 1 or 2 years. It took place year after year, year after year, year after year. Hence, my friends, no sense of guilt, only a sense of justice, a sense of joy in the cosmos, and a sense of balance restored.
But there are hundreds of them out in that world. What are we going to do about them?
Well, that is the part of the organization's plan to clean up India, to give the people's money back to the people. I want and it. These people didn't deserve it at all, you may say, but actually they deserve it. Hence, my friends, it was only right thought and right conviction that gave existence to many children. And this is not the end. This is just the beginning.
Time to play the game. Time to play the game. It's all about the game and how you play it. All about control. And if you get take it. It's all about your debt, and if you can pay it, it's all about pay. And who's gonna make it? I am the game. You don't wanna play me. I am
Our Captain, Special Intelligence Officer Sam Verma reporting.
Sam, I'm very proud of you. This mission is well accomplished. As you know, this is a natural drive. A drive to clean the people who have infected and corrupted the society with their greed and manipulation. So my boys, there's a lot of people, undercover agents just like you, for this work. Together, we can make a Swachh Bharat from inside and outside. There's only one king, and that is the Lion King.
There can only be one queen, and that's Cinderella.
Here is the climax.
I request all the Valmiki House members to come down, please. Hariom, as a senior house captain of Valmiki House, I would like to express my gratitude to each and every one who contributed to make this show a grand success. I'd like to thank Madam Shanti, Madam Jaya and Swamiji for giving us such a wonderful opportunity to showcase our talents. And Sajeev sir, Namita ma'am, Ganesh sir, and all the teachers for their timely presence and inputs. And I would like to thank the admin department, stores, and Anas and Akas, Parameshwar Manna and his team for helping us out throughout the show. And thank you. And I would fail my duty if I don't thank Mudit, Lakshmi and Vignesh and all the house members for their contribution and making this show a grand success. Thank you.
On behalf of the full Valmiki House, I would really like to thank the 12th graders for always supporting us and for the last minute input. All the 11th graders for just being the backbone of the house and always for being there for the house. All the 10th graders for all the support. And then yes, all whatever you can see here, all the chart works, they're all done by all the girls from 5th to 11th. They have worked late night and then everything is done by them. So I think we should really give a big round of applause to them. Then I would really like to thank my RHP and RHM for giving us the laptops overnight so that we can use, and also the Lata ma'am and Manjula ma'am for giving the laptops overnight. Then all the people who came from the other houses also, or people who came and who helped us in all decorations. And then yes, my co-captain Srinidhi, for 3 days she was in the dispensary, but still she did a lot of work. So I really like to thank all them. And yes, Nilesh, Paul, and for the technical audio support, and Shukadev. And then last but not the least, I would like to thank my house for being so supportive. And I'm really sorry for shouting at all the juniors and seniors sometimes. Please forgive me. Yes.
Okay guys, if I start thanking everyone, you won't be able to have your dinner. So I can say, everyone over here, thank you so much for cooperating with us and putting up this amazing show. And a special mention to Srinidhi, as already Mudit told. she was in the dispensary and she was very tired. But she came, practiced with us overnight and made this thing success. Thank you.
I think this 4-day festival, I think in the last 4 or 5 years this year, I enjoyed all the plays so much. All of them, really, a lot of work has gone in, and I think it was presented so beautifully. All the plays were very, very good. To start with the Vyasa House play, the first one was the Vyasa House play. The best thing about the Vyasa House play was they organized themselves so beautifully, you know. They presented it, especially Kaushik Sabu, it was so clear, absolutely clear. He used the mic in such a wonderful manner. All the dialogues. And the dialogues were very simple and clear, and it was very, very effective. All the dialogues completely was very effective, and I think it was one of the best organized play. I would say it was so very well organized. Everything was perfect. There's nothing to mention anything. Everything was absolutely perfect. The dialogue rendering and the live dialogue when they were giving, you know, it was absolutely coordinated so well. All of them did well, and a special mention to Kaushik Sabu, who really did very well. And of course, all the other characters, they did a very good job of it. And I think Vyasa House deserves a big round of applause. And I always wonder, you know, how you all prepare all these props and make this one MPH into different, the ambiences are different for each play, it is different. The credit goes to all the people who have worked on this artwork and putting it and changing the ambience. Vyasa House had that was done very beautifully. The different corners were used, and the lights, I mean the following, the focus lights, everything was used so well. I think they did a wonderful job. Congratulations to Vyasa House and the team here sitting and doing that. That was wonderful. Vyasa House play was really good. And then we had the Valmiki House play, where I think the 4 boys, that was the play, right? The 4 people who lost the money, with Uday Gosain featuring as the hero. And it started off very, very beautifully. The story built up was very, very nice. And then, of course, the dance was, you know, even the Vyasa House, I was very impressed with the dance which the girls presented. The Vyasa House dance was so very nice. It was coordinated so beautifully. And of course, the Valmiki House also, they had a dance which was done by the boys there. That was girls' dance. That was also very, very good. It was very beautifully done. The Valmiki House, a little issues with the mic. There was the positioning of the mic could have been a little better, but then the play was good. They also connected with the orphanage and all of that. The theme was good. That's really, really beautiful. And the dialogues were written very effectively. The last dialogue rendered by Uday Gosain was very, very good. It was a powerful dialogue. Very impressive. All of them acted very well. All the 4 characters, I couldn't believe that Andy can do that. Andy, he surprised me doing that CEO of the company there. He was really, you know, they lived their roles. I think it was a wonderful attempt by all of them. All of them did very, very well. And then yesterday we had the Vishwamitra House play. The plot was very good. The Vishwamitra House, the plot was excellent. You know, the way they planned the 7 murders. When he mentioned it to me, I said, you're going to kill 7 people on the stage. Is that what you're going to do? He said, ma'am, we'll do it in a very sophisticated manner. Don't worry. We will kill them, but not kill them. I said that they handled it very, very well. And I think Ayush Anand and his team, they did a... Yeah? Oh, sorry. Ayush Ranjan and the team, they did an excellent job. Vishwamitra, the team was good. The special mention I should make about the banner that was done yesterday. That was wonderful. That I think it was outstanding. I was told it was done by the girls, Taruna and who was the other one? Archana, Pradeep, they had done it. It was so excellent. That banner was really outstanding, and the play was taken. So, it was, we were all sitting to in the corner of our sofas to wonder what's next, what's going to happen. The suspense was maintained well in both the plays, both the plays where they wanted to do a thriller, and it was thrilling. That's what is the success of the whole thing about. It was very thrilling, and it was done very well. And today we had the Vasishta House play. This is not a joke to do a play like this. I tell you, it is unbelievable the way you people did it. Absolutely unbelievable. Everyone did so well. They lived the characters. I just couldn't believe. And with all your face painting, I was trying to look at who is this. I just couldn't even figure out who was doing that different roles. Everything was perfect. I would like to specially congratulate the people who rendered the dialogue for this play. Who are the children who presented the recorded? That is a trick. Okay. Yes. That was wondering how could they deliver it, because believe me, children, I have seen Lion King in New York. And I was wondering how they are reproducing it so well, the dialogues especially. But you transported us to a different world, I must tell you. That's the right word to say. We were completely transported to another world, and each one lived the character. Everybody lived the character. They did it so well, and it's really unbelievable. Even the charts, even this particular banner on top has also been done so very beautiful. And I think you have set some standards now, so we can look forward to having interesting things like this coming up in the years to come. The masquerade should go to this standard has gone up with the Vasishta House presenting this wonderful play. This is absolutely. I am absolutely impressed, and I think we have to give 3 cheers to Vasishta House for doing this wonderful thing. Absolutely. It was excellent. I want the little Lion King to come on the stage. Yes, please come. He acted so well, I tell you. He acted so well. And how did you bring out that potential from this child is something which is wonderful. You were really amazing. Good. It was excellent. Very well. All of them did their jobs extremely well, and I think we should also thank all the teachers, who've been with the part of the rehearsals right from so many days, and a lot of hard work by all of you, all the students. You've worked hard. I think you've been sleeping till 2 o'clock late in the night. 4:30, I know that. I think it's all wonderful. So we have decided to give you a treat tomorrow by bursting crackers in the evening tomorrow. Yeah. But we need to keep it a secret so that somebody doesn't start pouring tomorrow. The rain god should be kept away from this secret so that we can have fun tomorrow. It was very amazing, children. All these 4 days we had a wonderful time. Now they are ready to announce but one thing I felt was there was no big lady characters in any of the plays. That was one thing. They were there, some roles were played by some girls. The major roles were not played, but then it's fine. I suppose the plot was like that you couldn't give major roles to ladies, but all the girls did well. Whatever you did, it was very, very good. All the dancers and whatever way you supported the play, that was wonderful. Yes, Jaya ma'am? Can we go ahead with the best actor and the best promising actor? And Swamiji can come and do the honors. There's someone who is stuffed with a lot of potential in our school. There's one person who's really with so much potential and so much of talents stuck in him, and that person gets the best actor award. That goes to Anirudh. Yes, extremely good children. You deserve to get a hug. Hope you didn't put the paint on me. And the promising actor goes to the little king. You can pull up your dhoti up. Yes. That's it. Good. Congratulations. Okay. Thank you, Swamiji. That brings us to the end of the 4-day festival.
Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudakshate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Bolo Radhe.